Hey, hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Adventure lovers never miss out on the chance of camping. Camping is a lifetime experience and teaches way more than what we think. To make your camping easy and comfortable, you must carry some important essentials that I'm gonna list down in this video. Well, essentials for trekking and camping are a bit similar. Like few of the items are similar in both the cases. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box of the essentials we need while trekking. So let's start the video. But before starting, don't miss out on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you never miss out on a video that I am gonna upload in the future. Starting with the first essential, it is the day pack or the backpack we need for storage of essentials or items that we are gonna carry on our camping. A stuff pack is also used many times to keep the essentials organized and compact. The next lot of essentials are used for sleeping and resting. Tents are obviously there while camping and I don't need to mention that. But a hammock is a very good idea to keep on. It is easy to carry and is a symbol of relaxation. The next is a sleeping pad. Just inflate it and catch up on your comfort while camping. Another item for your sleep is the sleeping bag. Just roll over and have a good sleep. For winters, don't forget to keep the underquilt to keep you warm and protected. When you're camping, the cooking part lies in your own hands. So, some cooking essentials that you must carry with you are listed further. Portable stove is definitely the most important thing for cooking. And with that, don't forget to keep the stove full. Next is utensils for having your food. A bowl is a very good option. It will help you in cooking as well as you can eat in the same bowl after the cooking is done. We should never pollute our environment. So don't forget to keep a compost bag or a trash bag with you so that you can dump the leftovers or the waste materials in that compost bag or trash bag and later dump it in a proper guided place. Now, talking about the miscellaneous essentials. The first is the first aid kit. Don't forget to keep medicines, ointments and bandages with you. A torch is recommended to be in your backpack. For keeping your cell phones charged, don't forget to carry a high mAh power bank. But an interesting thing is the solar charger, which is best for camping. This solar charger grabs the energy from the sun rays directly and henceforward charge your phone. Toiletries are the next essential during camping because self-hygiene and care is very important. Also, you can keep strong ropes which you don't know but might be helpful in various situations while you are camping. I have added the link to the video in the description box of trekking essentials where I have discussed about the clothing and accessories part and that remains same for camping and trekking. So don't forget to check out that video. So one personal recommendation from my side is to carry a compass. The compass will help you in maintaining the correct direction where you are heading to. So with this, we come to the end of today's video. If you carry something extra or you know about something extra from what I have mentioned in the video, then do comment about it in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share to the maximum people out there. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel for upcoming interesting videos. And yes, let's make this family bigger and better with each passing day. Thank you.